Before starting the video, if you can, please print out the PDF file on the description below so you can work with me. So if we have a negative, a positive, and a negative next to each other, the result is positive. And if we have a positive, two negative, positive, and a negative, the result is a negative answer. So in another word, if we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 negative altogether, so we have odd negatives, so the answer should be negative. So do not worry about the positive side, so we only count the negative side. If it's odd negatives, so we have a negative answer. If it's even negative together, we have a positive answer. Just keep that in mind for me. For example, last one here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So even negative. So the answer should be a positive. Let's do a few examples. Let's say first one here. 16 minus negative 3. So all we need to do is, the easiest way is to count how many negatives altogether. So we have 1, 2, 3. So 3 negative together. So the answer on this one here should be a negative. So we clear this first. So now I just write this down. So it becomes 16 minus 3. So 16 minus 3 is 13. There you go. That's the answer. Next one. So we have 2 positive and 2 negative. So not to worry about the positives. So all we need to count is the negative. So we have 2 negative, 1, 2 negative. So therefore the answer should be positive. So this becomes a positive. So therefore, which is equal to minus 8 plus 9. Now don't forget, minus 8 plus 9 is the same as 9 minus 8, which is rearranged. That's all put in front. So positive 9 minus 8 is same as 9 minus 8. So 9 minus 8 is 1. So the answer for this one is 1. Next one. So we have in here, we have 1, 2, 3. So 3 negatives altogether. So this becomes negative. So now we have a negative 3 minus 3. So we start at negative 3, if you like, from number line. So negative 3 for this negative 3, and you go further 3 more units to the left. So you go 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is negative 6. There you go. Next one. So we have 6 minus plus minus 9. So we have 1, 2, 3. So 3 negatives together. So the answers should be negative. So this will equal to 6 minus 9. Now, remember 6 minus 9. We know that 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. So therefore, 6 minus 9 instead of 3, the answer is negative 3. That's all. So negative 3. Next one. So we have 4 plus minus negative 9. So all we need to do is we count how many negative altogether. So we have 1 negative, 2, 3. So it's odd. So the result is negative. So I write this first. So it becomes 4 minus 9. Now 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. So therefore 4 minus 9, the answer is negative 5. So which is equal to negative 5. Next one. So we have negative 5 minus plus minus negative 9. Again, we just count how many negative altogether. So we have 1 negative, 2, 3, 4. So it's even negative. So the answer should be positive. So I just rewrite this so that become minus 5 plus 9. Now negative 5 plus 9 is the same as 9 minus 5. So 9 minus 5 is 4. So the answer is 4. Please stop the video and try this one yourself. First one. So we just count how many negative altogether, okay, in between 20 and 8. So we have 1, 2, 3. So 3 negatives, so it's odd, right? So the answer should be negative. So I just rewrite this. Positive 20 is just the same as 20 minus 8. Now 20 minus 8 is 12. So the answer is 12. Next one. So we have negative 6 plus minus 19. So we just count how many negative, okay? So we have 1 negative, 2 negative, which is ignore positive. So that becomes positive because 2 negative, so even, so it should be positive. So now I just rewrite this. So that becomes minus 6 or negative 6 if you like, plus 19. Now minus 6 plus 19 is the same as 19 minus 6. So 19 minus 6. So 6 minus 9 is 3. And the 1 we just write it down. So the answer is 13. Next one. Negative 25 minus plus 13. So we just count how many negatives. So we have 1, 2, 3. So it's odd. So odd negative. So the answer should be negative here. So which is equal to negative 25 minus 13. So now we owe the bank $25 and we owe another 13. So we owe even more. So what we do, we just add them up. 25 plus 13. And 5 plus 3 or 3 plus 5 doesn't matter, is 8. And 1 plus 2 or 2 plus 1 is 3. So the answer, instead of 38, the answer should be negative 38. Next one. 7 minus plus negative 9. So we just count how many negative altogether, okay? We have 1 negative, 2 negative, 3 negative, and 4 negative. So it's even. So it should be positive here. So the answer is equal 7 plus 9. Now 7 plus 9. 1 plus 9 is 10. Yet another 6. So it's 16. There you go. Otherwise, use your finger to help you to count from 9 all the way up to 7. So now 8 plus minus plus minus 13. Again, we just count how many negative altogether, right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's even negative. So with the answer should be positive. So we write this out. So that becomes 8 plus 13. Now 8 plus 13. So 8 plus 10 is 18 and add another 3. So 21. So the answer is 21. Otherwise, you just go 13 add 8. So 8 plus 3. So you start from 8, 9, 10, 11. So you write 1 down. You carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So it's equal to 21. Last one. So we have negative 6 minus plus minus 4 and then minus 9. So what we do here is we clear this thing first, okay? So we count how many negative altogether. We have 1, we have 2, we have 3. So therefore, the answer should be negative. So I just write this sentence out. So which is negative 6 minus 4 and then minus 9. So this means that you owe the bank $6. Okay? And then you owe another $4. Because it's minus negative mean owe. And then you owe another $9. So you owe even more. So we just add them up. So we have 6 plus 4 plus 9. So 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 9 is 19. So the answer is negative 19 instead of 19. Thank you so much for watching my videos.